Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2012 Chevy Traverse. I'm going to show you how to remove the tail light, to change the light bulb when the stop light goes out or the turn light goes out. First thing you want to do is open the hatch. And when you open it, you see these two little panels here. And you want to get something, a little tool, and you want to take this cover off. And underneath there is looks like a 7 or 8 millimeter bolt. We're going to go get the tool kit in a second. I'm going to pop the other one. Same thing. So I got the tool kit here. We're going to put a 7 millimeter on there. And that fits good. That's perfect. Take one out, and then we're going to take the other one out. There's several things that hold this tail light in. It's these two bolts here. And then there's usually a clip or a pressure pin that's usually located over this side here. And I'm going to show you the trick to get them out as soon as we get this loose. Alright, so they're out. And the other one's kind of stuck in there a little bit, but we got that out. Okay, the first thing you want to do is, well, before you ever take a light out, you always want to look on the inside to see if there's an access panel to get to them. In this case, there isn't. So then we take those two bolts out, and then we want to wiggle it. Alright, we want to see if it comes out. But normally there's a clip in here. So what you want to do is you want to put your hand here, and you want to come along the side and hit it with the other hand. You want to go boom, boom. In this one case, I'm just tapping it, and it came out. That was pretty easy. If you want to change the whole assembly, you would unscrew these lights, you twist them. You would disconnect the harness right here by pressing this button. If you want to change a bulb, you just twist it, pull it out, and then pull the bulb out. This one looks a little burnt. And there's little numbers on the bottom of the bulb. You can take it to your auto supply house. And they'll give you the light. You plug it back in, straight into the socket. Put it back in. You can see it fits a certain way. We're going to line that up and twist it. Twist it in. And that's done. And you just reassemble it the same way you took it out. Pretty easy on this Traverse. Now to do the other one on the hatch, you actually have to take the trim panel off, and these are